What happens when the aorta rips apart? Can we use a man-made material to repair it? The aorta is the largest and most important artery in the human body. It exits the heart and travels through the chest to the abdomen, carrying oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. Over a lifetime, it pumps around 200 million liters of blood. The aorta also helps regulate heart rate by changing pressure inside it during blood flow. The aortic wall has a layered, stretchy structure like a strong rubber band. This helps it to withstand the high pressure of blood coming from the heart. However, sometimes the aorta can weaken. When this happens, it may start to bulge like a balloon. This is called an aneurysm. If the aorta becomes too weak, it can burst, which is very dangerous. Even more serious is a condition called an aortic dissection. In this case, a tear forms in the inner layer of the aorta's wall. Blood flows into this tear, creating a split in the aorta's layers. If the split grows too large, the aorta can rupture, which can be life-threatening if not treated. Surgeons can fix a weak or damaged aorta caused by an aneurysm or dissection by replacing the diseased part with a man-made material called Dacron. Dacron is a type of polyester, similar to the material used in some clothing, and is biocompatible, meaning it works well inside the body and does not cause bad reactions. Over time, cells grow on the Dacron graft, helping it blend with the body. Dacron has excellent mechanical properties, which means it does not rip or burst under high pressure. While it is less flexible than the natural aorta, it is strong enough to withstand the pressure of blood pumped from the heart. Dacron grafts save lives by replacing weak or damaged parts of the aorta, preventing them from bursting. These types of materials are designed by biomaterials scientists and biomedical engineers who combine their knowledge of biology, chemistry, physics, engineering, and medicine to solve healthcare challenges.